Hello everyone and welcome to the 26th match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Solid Base Preparatory from St. Catherine and Foundation Preparatory from Clarendon. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Foundation Prep won. They decided that Solid Base Prep should play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock, Solid Base, we begin with Bible knowledge. How many animals did David kill before he killed Goliath?
2.
Correct. Bible Knowledge Foundation. How many Philistines did Samson kill with the jawbone of a donkey?
1,000.
Correct. Solid Base Science. Specifically, where in the body is bile produced?
Liver.
Correct. Science Foundation. Specifically, where in the body is bile stored?
Gallbladder. Gallbladder.
Correct. Solid Base International Affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the country's flag displayed.
Mexico. Mexico.
Correct. Foundation Prep International Affairs. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Curacao.
Incorrect. Costa Rica. Solid Base English Language. Which is the correct word that should be used in the question? Will this test affect or effect my grade?
Affect. Affect.
Correct.
Good.
Foundation English Language. Which is the correct word that should be used in the question? Will you accept or accept my invitation?
Accept. Accept.
Correct. Solid Base Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Miles Teller.
Miles Teller.
Incorrect. Dylan O'Brien. Foundation Television. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Christian Bale. Just Christian Bale.
Christian Bale.
Incorrect. Tyler Posey. Solid Base General Knowledge. Which country has the world's largest population?
China.
Correct. Foundation General Knowledge. What is the largest country by land area in North America?
Canada.
Correct. Solid Base Social Studies. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which Jamaican county is highlighted.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Correct. Foundation Social Studies. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which Jamaican county is highlighted.
Middlesex. Middlesex.
Correct. Solid Base Music. The Dragonaires was the name of the supporting group for which late Jamaican singer?
Brian Lee.
Incorrect. Byron Lee. Foundation Music. The Maytals is a part of the name of which former Jamaican music group?
Justice Metals and the Three Calypsonians.
Metals and the Three Calypsonians.
Incorrect. Toots and the Maytals. Solid Base Mathematics. What is the square root of 625?
25.
25.
Correct. Mathematics for Foundation. What is the square root of 484?
22.
Correct. Sports. For Solid Base, what is the first of the 4 major events played in lawn tennis each year?
Grand Slam.
Incorrect. The Australian Open. Foundation Sports. What is the third of the 4 major events played in lawn tennis each year?
No, just the opening playoff.
Opening playoffs.
Incorrect. Wimbledon. Solid Base Jamaican Affairs. Who is the Member of Parliament for Central Kingston in Jamaica?
Desmond McKenzie.
Incorrect. Ronald Thwaites. Jamaican Affairs for Foundation. Who is the Member of Parliament for East Rural St. Andrew in Jamaica?
Angela Brown Burke.
Angela Brown Burke.
Incorrect. Juliet Holness. And that's the bell signifying the end of section 1. The scores currently read solid base prep on 7 and foundation prep on 6. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, be sure to read all of the directions on your test paper and pace yourself so as not to feel rushed. Stay with us. This match in round 1 of the 27th season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.